Oh boy. So what's it mean? The Fed finally, thank you, Mr. Powell, he dropped the rate a little bit, but not a lot of it. We were hoping for a lot of it, but it's better than getting raised, right? So that's good. It stayed the same here for the last year. So what does this mean for real estate interest rates? What's it mean for buyers and sellers? All right. This is more than I can put on a short video, but here's what I'm going to throw out at you. All right. First of all, mortgage interest rates really aren't directly tied to the Fed rate. What is 10-year treasury bills or treasury bonds, because that's kind of what investors with mortgage loans go out. So right now they're right around the low fours, 4.1, 4.2. So therefore they're lending money out right around 6.5 then. Usually there's about a 2.5 point difference there between the two. So keep an eye on those. But mortgage rates are going to drop a little bit, not a lot of it. Honestly, the difference in the payment will be not a lot. But I had somebody asking, because what they're also saying, then we might drop it more. Should I wait to buy so I can get a lower rate? No, unequivocally no. Think about this a second. Let's say that we get fortunate enough that 6 months from now, the interest rates are 1% less. Just think about this. Follow with me with this here, real slow. If the interest rates are lower, will more or less buyers enter the marketplace? More. That is correct. Good job out there. Pat yourself on the back. If there's more buyers in the marketplace, but not a lot of sellers, are prices of homes going to stay the same, go less, or go more? Yes, pat yourself on the back. You're right. More. So the best time to buy a house, isn't Will Rogers? One of those guys said maybe like 6 months ago. But no, seriously, you buy the house. There's a saying out there, you only date the rate, meaning if you buy the house and a year or so from now, the interest rates go down low enough that makes sense to refinance, you're going back the prices from a year ago, and you can get the lower interest rate. I hope that makes sense. This is so convoluted, but yet it's not. If you find a house you like and it's within a payment that you can afford, purchase the property. You're protected. The bank will do an appraisal to make sure it's worth what you're paying for it, so you didn't overpay for it. But if you want to talk more about this, please reach out to me or any of my super cool, awesome realtors at Century 21 First Choice Realty. We're going to talk more about this, but it's a lot of information in a very short video then. All right, again, guys, you take care. We appreciate your real estate business. Have a good day. Remember, you date the rate. When's the best time to buy a house? 6 months ago. That's right.